Today, we'll be making Hong Kong style sausage rolls. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. For a fluffy bun, we'll need to make a bread starter. Add bread flour and water into a small pot. Then stir continuously over medium-high heat. It will start to thicken pretty quickly, so keep an eye on it. Once lines begin to form, remove from heat. We'll then let this cool completely before we use it. Today, I'll be using a bread machine, but you can use a stand mixer. Add in milk, egg, and our cooled bread starter, sugar, salt, and bread flour. Then last, we'll add in our instant yeast. Over to your bread machine or stand mixer, let it knead for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your dough should begin to form. Add in your melted butter. We'll then let this knead for 15 minutes to fully incorporate. After 15 minutes, we'll remove and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, our dough should have risen. The dough will be quite sticky, so use some extra flour. Deflate all the air bubbles and then we'll divide our dough into 6 pieces. For each piece, flatten and roll into thin logs. Again, the dough might be sticky, so use a bench scraper and additional flour as needed. Now we can wrap the sausages with our dough strips. Now we'll cover and let it rest one more time for 1 hour. To give it some nice color, add milk or egg wash. Bake at 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. Once they're done baking, brush with honey while still warm. And there you have it, delicious Hong Kong style sausage rolls. Enjoy!